In this video, we are going to be reviewing some of the most common features of the Hoptix dashboard. So we will go to dashboard.hop720.com, enter our username, which should be your email address, and your password. I'll check to keep me signed in. Sign in. And when you log in, you'll notice you have a master dashboard, which will have the majority of your information. Right now, it's just going to display the current month we are at. We are going to go back, let's say, a year. And on the master dashboard, you'll notice we have goal time and variance percent. So this shows each one of our speeds of service. We can look at our people counter data. And if we scroll down, we can see our point of sale data. If you want to, we can also check and uncheck certain data points. This here. The set max value will just change the scale of the graph a little bit. Generally, you won't need to use this. It's just something that is useful if you have one data point that is really low compared to all the other data points, or a bunch of really small data points. As you can see here, it just helps fill the graph a little bit more, whereas if we had that unchecked, you could see we can't really see much difference in the numbers, but it's easier to see the trend here. At the very bottom, we have our best month in the period we selected, the average month, and the worst month. And we also have the best, average, and worst month of all time, so all the data that's been collected. On the left, we can go to goal time and variance percent, which will be for individual speeds of service. So if I go to bar, for example, in 2018, you can see the goal highlighted here, and we see the trend over time. If I go to goal time variance all, this is the same graph as on the master dashboard, just larger. Point of sale data summary allows us to, again, look at the same information that was on the master dashboard. We can also select a particular day if we want to see how certain hours of the day fare over the given time period we've looked at. People counter, again, same as on the master dashboard. We can look at the data here individually. Average times gives us a kind of a master look at all our speeds of service. Of particular interest is the percent outside goal times plus unacknowledged events here. And you can see each event has the average speed of service. Because this is a demo client, our speed of service is the same for both peak and off-peak hours. Yours will be different. The pie chart allows you to look at your speeds of service in a little bit different way. You can see out of all the events within this time, the percent within goal time and the percent outside of goal time. And this is our average speed of service within, compared to this goal of 30 seconds. One final point to point out is the question type speed of service is only for particular clients that are in the quick service industry right now, but you may have options to add this to your speeds of service. This just allows us to have question speeds of service that are yes or no answers. So for example, we are looking in this case if associates are giving customers a warm welcome, are they upselling items, are they repeating back the order, and so on. And this just allows us to look at what percent of the time are they doing that over a given time period.